In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn passive income through cryptocurrency using the Crypto.com app. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the world of digital currencies, this step-by-step guide will help you understand how to stake your cryptocurrency and start earning passive income in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to go to the Crypto.com application on your device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you'll find it in your preferred app store, and it's available for both iOS and Android platforms. Once you've installed and logged into your account, you'll be ready to proceed. This application is your gateway to a world of cryptocurrency investment opportunities, and it's designed to be user-friendly for both beginners and more experienced users. Upon opening the app, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find an icon that looks like three stacked lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Tapping on this icon will open up a list of options, giving you access to a variety of functions within the app. It's your control center, if you will. From checking your account balance to exploring different investment strategies, this menu is where you'll find what you need. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the menu, it's time to click on the option labeled Staking. This is where the magic happens regarding earning passive income. Staking in cryptocurrency is somewhat akin to earning interest on a savings account. By holding your crypto in a specific way, you effectively lend it to the network, which in return rewards you with more cryptocurrency. Next, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Depending on your investment strategy, you might choose one based on its potential for growth, popularity, or personal preference. In the list of available cryptocurrencies, you'll find popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Make your selection carefully, considering factors such as current market trends and your investment goals. Once you've chosen your cryptocurrency, the final step is to confirm your staking selection. This confirmation step is crucial. It ensures that you've picked the correct cryptocurrency and are ready to proceed. After confirming, your cryptocurrency is officially staked, and you can sit back and start enjoying the benefits of passive income. This process is straightforward and doesn't require constant monitoring, allowing you to earn income over time with minimal effort. And there you have it, a simple guide to staking your cryptocurrency and earning passive income. Remember, as with any investment, it's essential to do your research and ensure you're comfortable with the risks involved. Thank you for tuning in, and happy staking.